Hello amigos, in this video I am going to talk about COVID-19 vaccine which are presently available at India. And also you should know about this before taking the vaccine. Number 1. Covaxin. Covaxin has been developed by the Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech International Limited in association with the Indian Council of Medical Research, which is commonly known as ICMR, and National Institute of Virology. Covaxin is an inactivated vaccine which has been prepared on a tried and tested platform of dead viruses. This vaccine is developed with whole virome inactivated virocell derived technology. They contain inactivated viruses which cannot infect a person but still can teach the immune system to prepare a defense mechanism against the virus. Covaxin follow a 2-dose regimen administered 20 days apart. Covaxin can be stored at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade, which is a household refrigerator temperature. This makes the vaccine more suited for Indian conditions as most of the vaccines here are kept at the same temperature range. The effectiveness of the Covaxin is nearly 81% according to the interim third phase trial results. Covaxin has been granted a restricted use authorization in clinical trial mode, and it is an intramuscular vaccine and it can be given to people aged 12 years and above. There, however, isn't any assurance if the vaccine can be given to children and pregnant women. Second one, Covishield. Covishield has been developed by the Oxford AstraZeneca and is being manufactured by the Serum Institute of India. Covishield has been prepared using the viral vector platform, which is a totally different technology. A chimpanzee's adenovirus, which is called ChAd-OX1, has been modified to enable it to carry the COVID-19 spike protein into the cells of humans. Well, this cold virus is basically incapable of infecting the receiver but can very well teach the immune system to prepare a mechanism against the viruses. Covishield follow a 2-dose regimen administered 20 days apart. Storage guidelines for Covishield is same as Covaxin, and the efficacy of Covishield is nearly come to 62%. Covishield has been allowed for restricted use in emergency situations that can potentially prevent coronavirus infection in people aged 18 years and above. Covishield are intramuscular vaccines and it is approved for people aged 18 years and above. And the third one is Russian vaccine Sputnik V. Sputnik V has been developed by Gamaleya Research Institute. Sputnik has been prepared using non-replicating viral vector and it is a 2-dose vaccine. It needs a storage temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Sputnik V has an efficacy of 91.6% and mode of administration is same as Covaxin and Covishield. Sputnik can be given to people aged between 18 to 45 years. And we are end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe and like button. Which vaccine is best? Drop your answer on the comment box.